Hello guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. This one is for Tarte. I forget how many months ago this was, but they did another one of those deals where for like one flat rate you can pick X number of products. Like the year before they did it with like 4 products. This time it was like 7 or 9 or something. It's been a while since I placed that order. I don't remember the exact number. So the flat cost was a bit higher, but you got more for it. So I'm like, okay, I'll do it. And I very nearly missed out on it. It was only because, again, Kimmy brought it to my attention. So, good on her for letting me know. The box is beyond effed up at this point, because it got smushed under so many other things and waiting for me to unbox it that it kind of imploded on itself. So, we're not going to show the box, because it is in a sad state. We're getting rid of the box as soon as this is done, and I can finally start using my products. So anyway, it was a little different this time, because last time you could pick any 4 products that were in the program to pick from. This time, they wanted to make it more rounded. So basically, they would give you different categories of products, and you could pick one from each category up to that many products. So there's some of these that I'm a little less excited about than others where I'm like, well, it made me pick one, so this is what I picked by default, but if it were up to me, I would have gotten something different. But anyway, so yeah, it had like, oh, this is from a while back, like this coupon expired in July. That's how long this has been waiting to be opened. I think this was in June, because one of the items is a Pride item. And we'll start with it, because I love this mascara anyway. Oh, this poor box has seen better days too. Okay, so it is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. And it's the same mascara that it always is, it's just in like the most adorable Pride tube ever. So you know, I am all about that. So of course I had to get it, and now it is mine. I believe it's just, yeah, it's just in black. Nothing to see there, just the packaging is so friggin' cute. But yeah, I love this mascara, so I was happy to have another one of that and an even more fun packaging. It also came with a bag, much in the way that Ipsy does, although they didn't put the products in the bag, it's sealed. But I love this bag. I love that color. I'm just like, oh, hello. Very cute. If I remember right, I think it even let you pick which bag. I think there was like a few options, and I picked this one. It's just pretty. Unfortunately, it is that type of glitter that's going to come off on your hands, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but look how pretty! It's so pretty. I do love that bag, so I will forgive the glitter. So, I also got, of course I picked this, the Tarte Kitten eyeliner. It's also black. But, I mean, it's the one with the cats all over. It's the Sex Kitten one. Although this one doesn't even say sex. It just says kitten. So, maybe they dropped the other off of it. Or maybe it's just not on the box. I don't know. Let's look. But it's still got the... Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't. It is a little different. This one's just kitten. Okay. Well, the other one has the little cat head on it for Sex Kitten. So I guess this is just normal kitten. But look how cute, and has a little smudger on the one end. I'm like, okay. Alright, I see you. I think this is a pencil. Yes, okay. So, okay, we will compare and contrast, because I do have the other one. But you know me with the cat aesthetic, I had to. I friggin' had to. Then we have the Tarte Amazonian 12-Hour Clay Blush in Party. So this... little less excited about, but I mean, I can still use it. But then I saw it in person. I was like, oh, that's awful light. I have another one I got from Ipsy that I was like, it's too dark. So I wanted to make sure we didn't have a repeat of that. But this looks like it's like not even hardly gonna show up. So I'm like, ah, shit. There's gotta be like a happy medium in between the two. But at least this one I don't have to be so very, very, very light-handed using. Because at least being that pale, I could go heavy-handed and still not look like a circus clown, so at least there's that. This, I don't know how I feel about. This is the Maracuja Tinted Hydrator in Fair Neutral. Now, Most of the things from their Maracuja line smell like coconut, so I may not be able to use it anyway. But I don't know. I mean, color-wise, I guess it's okay, but I'm like, ooh, I'm nervous. Actually, Kimberly had something from this line. It was a lip product. And she warned me, don't buy it. It's like hella coconutty. And it was so fragranced, she couldn't hang with it either, because it gave her a migraine. So I'm like, double scared of this now, but I'll give it a shot, but I don't feel very confident in that one. This is one of the products where if it had been up to me to just choose what the hell ever, I would have definitely chosen a different type of product. This would not have even been on my radar. So that one, a little bit of a miss for me, but that's okay. The rest of it makes up for it. We have a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in Cha-Cha. So I like this line from them a lot. Look at the cute marble, like, swimming pool, water vibes, tube. I love that. And the color, I'm like, ooh, hell yeah. Chose well. Very pleased with that choice. So I've got that. There's like this little sample. I don't even remember if this was part of it or if they just threw this in. This is like a Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I think this may have just been a sample they tossed in, to be honest. I mean, cool, I'll use it as like a single-use thing, so whatever. Then we have this Tartiest Lash Paint. And, of course, black. I think this is a sample size, but I mean, can still definitely work with that. I think it's mascara. I would assume with a name like Lash Paint. Oop. Oop. Yep, okay. Wow, that is like really compact design there. I was like terrified the whole time that I was opening it. Oh, it's not even like a screw top, it's like a snap one. That makes me definitely nervous that it might dry out way easy. Don't know how I feel about that, but I guess we'll have to give it a go. And then finally, the last thing in here is from their Sugar Rush line, which I like their Sugar Rush line. And this is their No Bullshit Acne Spot Treatment, which, good God, I need that right now, so perfect timing to open this up. It's an acne spot treatment, and it's vegan. It's basically the same idea as that Murad one that I have, but hopefully works better because that other one just is not cutting it for me. So I'm definitely going to be trying this one out. Probably before anything else here, which didn't think this would be the first one to get opened, but I think this is going to be the first one to get opened. What kind of size? I mean, look, oh, that's not bad. That's actually very reasonable. Okay. Not bad at all. Let's see here. There's a lot number on it. Expiration date I'm trying to read. I really hope that's a 23 and not a 21. Because if it's a 21, they sold us expired product. It's gotta be a 3. Even be a 2. Well, regardless, it's gonna be in quick rotation, so I don't think I have to worry too hard about that. But anyway, so that is what I got in this Tarte haul from, like, literally close to a year ago. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. As usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.